Hey everybody, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. We're gonna see how he's gonna back this Razor out. Looks pretty slick. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? No problem. This is a 16-foot garage with a 5,000-pound ramp door. It's rated for 5,000 pounds. So I'm gonna get a view of his garage here. It's got that rubber diamond plate. And he has a full bath in this 16-foot garage with a side patio. So hey, tell us what you think. Give us a call, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.